Are your iPhone's volume buttons not working? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to fix them quickly and easily. I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to troubleshoot the issue and get your phone back up and running in no time. So don't spend hours trying to figure out what went wrong. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn a simple solution to fix your iPhone's volume button malfunction. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. When you are on this screen, you will see a section called Ringtone and Alert Volume, and under that, you have this volume slider and a switch that says, Change with Buttons. So if you have this turned off, no matter how many times you press up and down on the volume button, it's not going to respond or change the volume. So if you have this turned off, simply turn it on. Change with Buttons. Once you turn it on, you will be able to change the volume by pressing the button up or down. If you are still facing issues even after turning this on, you can do a quick restart by tapping and holding the volume up button and the power button, then sliding to power off. Once you restart your phone, you can see if the volume button works. If not, it might be a hardware issue, and you have to take your iPhone to Apple to fix the volume buttons or replace your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.